Hello, in front of me I have Honor Pad V9, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on this device. Okay, so as a first method I'm going to show you how to transfer data from your old device into your tablet, and how to restore backup from the Google one, and then how to restore from the external storage drive, and how to restore from the Honor suite. So let's begin with transferring from the other phone. First select your language, then click on Get Started. Now select your region also. Now click on Continue. And now select your network, click on Continue. Now we have option to copy apps and data. We want to click on Next. Click on Next once again. If you don't have a cable that fits, just like me, because it would require a USB-C to USB-C cable, we can click on that we don't have it. Click on Copy Without. Click on Next. We are simply going to do that wirelessly. Select that an adult will do it. Now on our second device we need to open up the Google app. And now say, okay Google, set up my device, or type set up my device in the search box. Okay, just like that. Now click on Next. Now let's wait a little bit. Now verify that the shapes are the same, then click on Next. Click on Copy. Now the process has started, as you can see. Now we need to verify using our password to the Google account, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to type my password. Okay, then click on Next. Okay, getting ready to copy. This might take a few minutes, so we just need to simply wait a little bit. Okay, and now we can choose what we want to copy. So now we can select the apps, photos and videos, device settings, and the call history. But for example, when it comes to the apps, we don't need to copy all 57 of them. We can simply click on the apps. And in here we can manually select or unselect the apps that we want to copy or don't want to copy. So it's completely up to you. But in my case, I don't want any of my apps to be copied. Now, once you have selected everything that you want, click on Copy. Now the process will start in the background, so now we need to wait a little bit. Now click on OK. In here, simply click on Accept. And we can turn on the backup. It is pretty useful feature. Now click on Next. Now we need to select the default browser. In my case, it's gonna be the Google Chrome, and the Google as my search engine. Click on Set as Default. We can adjust in here the Hey Google quote for the assistant, but I'm going to skip it for now. Same thing with the unlocking of the device. Now on our second device we can see that the setup has been completed. Also on our pad. Now click on Done. Click on Set Manually in here. Click on Continue. If you have an Honor ID, you can log in right now. Also, you can create your ID by clicking right in here on No Account, and you can create your ID, but I'm going to set it up later in the settings. You can also set the password right now. I'm going to set it later though. Click on Enable. Now click on Join or Later. It's completely up to you. I'm gonna click on Join. And we can enable the location services. It's completely up to you. Remember about it. Now select your gesture navigation mode. I'm gonna leave the gestures. You also have the 3 keys available. Click on Finish. And now we are ready to use our device. Also, you should not disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet, because some of the apps might still being installed from the Play Store. So simply check in the notification bar is something being downloaded. In my case, currently nothing, but just check it for yourself. Alright, so that was the first method, and now let me show you how to restore backup from the Google one. Okay, so now we are again doing the setup process, but now when we have a possibility to use another device, we need to click that we can't use it, then click on OK. Now let's wait a little bit. And now select the option that you want, and now we have a possibility to log in into our Google account. And now first simply type your mail. That's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so once you have logged in, click on I agree. And now, as you can see, we have a possibility to restore data from our backup. In here I have a list of my backups that I made on this account. And in here simply pick the one that you want, and then we will restore it. Also, if you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want, you can look for it. Okay, so simply select the backup that you want, and now select what you want to restore, then click on restore button. Now the process will start, so let's wait. And now we have some Google services. Simply scroll down and click on accept. And now again we have the backup features. Let's turn it on. Now again we have the default browser. I'm going to do the same stuff that I did in the previous method, so Google Chrome as my default browser, Google as my search engine, click on set as default. And now we have the Google Assistant. I'm going to click on skip for now, in here also, because it's not necessary for me. I want to cancel the quick login, click on continue. I am going to skip this owner ID because I don't want it. Okay, click on, in here you can set your password, but I'm going to set it later in the settings. Now click on enable, click on join if you want. I'm gonna enable the location services also. And when it comes to the navigation method, I'll select the gestures. You can also select the 3 keys, click on finish. And now we are ready to use our device. Okay, so that was the second method. I don't know why the screen doesn't want to rotate, because it should. Okay. That was the second method. And now let me show you how to restore a backup from the external storage drive. Okay, so let's open up the settings right now to restore from the external storage drive. Scroll down, click on System and Updates, click on Backup and Restore. Now click on Data Backup. Now click on External Storage. Now insert your USB storage. Okay, now it should appear. Okay, click on USB storage, and in here select restore from backup. Select the backup that you want. Also, if you don't know how to create all those backups, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to create each one of them, so if you want you can look for it. And now select everything that you want to restore. Click on restore, and now enter your password. Click on OK. Now the process has started, as you can see, so let's wait until it's finished. Okay, our backup has been restored. Click on done, And that's it. We can unplug our device. Okay, and now as a last method, I'll show you how to restore backup using the Honor suite. Okay, so now we are on the PC, and now we need to launch the Honor suite app. If you don't know how to download it, it's on our video on our channel, and when I'm showing you all backup methods on this Huawei pad, Honor pad. And now click on USB, but before we proceed, simply connect your Honor into your PC or laptop using the USB-C cable. It is necessary. Okay. Now select use USB to transfer files / Android Auto. Now open up your settings. Now click on About tablet and click on build number a few times until the developer mode is enabled. Now click on System and Updates. Open up the developer options, scroll down a little bit and enable USB debugging. Click on OK. And now on our device and on our screen of the computer, this information appeared. Click on OK on your Honor. And on your PC, actually you don't need to do anything once you have agreed on your Honor. And now click on OK. Now we need to wait. And now click on more details and we need to install Honor suite on our device. Now we need to click on agree. Click on allow, allow, allow and allow. Basically allow for anything. And now we need to enter this code in this bar in our app. Now click on connect. I don't know why the app is in the Polish language, but it is how it is. And now to restore our backup, click right in here on the restore button. Now select what you want to restore. Now click on this blue button and type your password. Click on OK. And now the process has started, so I'll see you once it's finished. Okay, and now it says that it has been restored. Click on ready. And that's all. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.